What is the average lifespan of human red blood cells? 30 days, 100 days, 120 days, 150 days. The correct answer is option C. The average lifespan of human red blood cells is about 120 days. The pH of human blood is about 7.2, 7.8, 6.6, 7.4. The correct answer is option D. The pH of human blood is about 7.4. Red blood cells RBC are also known as erythrocytes, thrombocytes, leukocytes, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Red blood cells RBC are also known as erythrocytes. White blood cells are also known as leukocytes, thrombocytes, erythrocytes, none of these. The correct answer is option A. White blood cells are also known as leukocytes. Which is the largest cell in the human body? Blood cells, female egg, male sperm, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Female egg is the largest cell in the human body. Which is the smallest cell in the human body? Blood cells, female egg, male sperm, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Male sperm is the smallest cell in the human body. Which is the largest organ of the human body? Liver, intestine, stomach, skin. The correct answer is option D. Skin is the largest organ of the human body. Which is the smallest organ in the human body? Pineal gland, lungs, intestines, bladder. The correct answer is option A. Pineal gland is the smallest organ in the human body. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Thyroid, liver, pancreas, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. Which of the following is largest endocrine gland in the human body? Thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pituitary. The correct answer is option A. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland in the human body. The largest artery in the human body is called pulmonary artery, coronary artery, aorta, renal artery. The correct answer is option C. The largest artery in the human body is called aorta. Which is the largest muscle in the human body? Soleus, stapedius, gluteus maximus buttock muscle, bicep brachii. The correct answer is option C. Gluteus maximus buttock muscle is the largest muscle in the human body. Which is the smallest muscle in the human body? Tricep, stapedius, gluteus maximus, bicep brachii. The correct answer is option B. Stapedius is the smallest muscle in the human body. The largest part of the human brain is the medulla oblongata, cerebellum, cerebrum, none of these. The correct answer is option C. The largest part of the human brain is called cerebrum. Which of the following is second largest part of the brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum, thalamus, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option B. Cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. The longest bone in the human body is called tibia, femur, fibula, stapes. The correct answer is option B. The longest bone in the human body is called femur. The shortest bone in the human body is called vertebrae, stapes, phalange, metacarpal. The correct answer is option B. The shortest bone in the human body is called stapes. Which of the following helps in clotting of blood? Vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin D, vitamin K. The correct answer is option D. Vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. The amount of blood in a normal man is about 5 liters, 2.5 liters, 3.8 liters, 4.7 liters. The correct answer is option A. The amount of blood in a normal man is about 5 liters. Which of the following arteries supply blood to head and neck? Coronary artery, carotid artery, mesenteric artery, pulmonary artery. The correct answer is option B. Carotid arteries supply blood to head and neck. Which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Pancreas, thyroid, pituitary, spleen. The correct answer is option C. Pituitary gland in the human body is called the master gland. Intelligence is under the control of cerebrum, cerebellum, thalamus, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option A. Intelligence is under the control of cerebrum. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Liver, pancreas, kidney, stomach. The correct answer is option B. Pancreas organ in the human body produces insulin. Which component of the human blood is responsible for clotting? Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, plasma. The correct answer is option C. Platelets component of the human blood is responsible for clotting. Which of the following is also known as graveyard of RBCs? Spleen, liver, bone marrow, kidneys. The correct answer is option A. Spleen is also known as graveyard of RBCs. Human body does not produce its proteins, fibers, vitamins, hormones. The correct answer is option C. Human body does not produce its vitamins. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. The correct answer is option D. Vitamin D is also known as the sunshine vitamin. Where is the thyroid gland located? Neck, chest, abdomen, head. The correct answer is option A. The thyroid gland is located in the neck. Where are the adrenal glands located? Above the kidneys, in the brain, in the throat, in the chest. The correct answer is option A. The adrenal glands are located above the kidneys. Animal without red blood cells is frog, earthworm, snake, peacock. The correct answer is option B. Animal without red blood cells is earthworm.